Okay, n queens is it? So n queens is like it's been a long time since I've solved this. We go column by column, and then we first add a queen at worst position of a column, then check whether it is being checked by upper left, lower left, and in the same column. If it isn't, then we add them into the list of strings. Yes, so one valid function and one solve recursive function, and then one construct function to convert character board to string. Yeah, we can use. Actually, I kind of remember this question, so let's start. Answer equals to new array list. This is the answer array list that we're gonna take. Then I'm gonna take character board, makes things easier. Yeah, board sorry, character of n cross n. Now I'll assign dot to each of the elements. I less than n, I plus plus. For int j equals to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. And then yeah, board of I and j should be equal to dot. And now I'll call a function solve, where I'll pass in answer, then the board, then the n, then the 0th column which I'll receive at the function. Then I am going to return the answer. Let's write the function. It's not returning anything, so void, and then list of the string answer character board, which we are going to take int n and int column. There comes a base case, I'll come to that later. For int row is equal to 0, because we are placing in on the blocks. So if this is a column, then if there are 4 squares, then I'll check row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. So that's what I'm placing queens at. So it is also same, because just has same number of columns as same number of rows. Now if valid some boolean function, don't think about it right now, n and the board, if it's valid, then we place a queen. That means I have the board, I place it onto this, then I check, because first column is done, so I have to do next column. So I'll just call the same function again, passing in the parameters and column plus 1, because I am going to the next column. And if it isn't valid, this is the base case, can't skip this. Anyways, there is no return statement required, but I'll just return it. Now the base case is, because this call plus 1 is doing, it's an infinite loop, I have to break it. So call equals to n, oops, yeah, answer dot add. I'll just write a helper function for this, which will take the board and just add it to it. It will just do it for one column, so that's fine. Now public, I'll just write the validate function, which is a boolean function which takes in the parameters integer row, integer column, and integer n and character board. Yeah, first case is same same row, so I have to go in columns. So call oops, I equals to 0, I less than column, I plus plus. And if I encounter any board with no, row and then the column. I'm just checking in the same row. I'm just checking in the rows are changing, but it's in the same column. Yeah, if then return false. Check in rows, yeah, if array bro q, yeah, I can just copy this. Now upper left, so it's like this. To calculate upper left, we can go two variables at a time. This is the tricky part. Yeah, this is the tricky part. We go with two variables at a time. Crazy, but yeah. So I go from row column towards upper left. Upper left means 0 comma 0, like an origin. So they both should be equal to 0. Now my I should be less than, sorry, I'm just minus. Oh, no. Minus. Wait. Am I doing this right? Should I be doing this? Yes, I'm right. Yeah, this is right. Upper left is, yeah, j minus minus, and if I encounter this, I just return false. I just copied that, it was in my clipboard. So int, again I have to go from rows remains the same, just j starts from column. This guy starts from I have to go, yes, it's right. I have to go to lower left. Let me write that down. To go to lower left side to calculate this. So row is still going up, so I is less than n, and this should be end, and j is actually greater than equal to 0 because j is reducing. If you go to lower left, if this is the increasing part of column, this is the increasing part of row, and if you're going negative side, column is obviously decreasing. That's why I'll do j minus minus and I'll do I plus plus, and if I get return, I'll just return false, else return true. Now public, what is that helper function? Returns nothing, so it will be a void operation. Then what does it take? It just takes the board, right? Yeah, it just takes the character board. Quite simple. Just create a temporary array list, new array list, and then for int I equals to 0, I less than yeah, board dot length I, board dot length I plus plus. Just add it to result dot add new string board of I. So it will add only the valid boards because it has reached n. Now we can just return the temp, not, yeah, so temp. There will be some errors, yeah. How did I miss that? It's not a void function, it's actually, it returns something, right? So it's not void. I less than n, where line number 20, I less than n, rookie mistake, it's not I, it's row. Okay, some errors. Okay, let's debug this. Where am I doing error? Okay, this is fine, this is fine. Validator is wrong. I from this is no, it should be and only. Should be, yes, it should be and. It should be and. I guess this is something fault. From column towards 0, right? Where did I go wrong? Oh, I spotted it. Did you guys spot it? This is crazy, man. It would have taken me lifetime to get there. Yeah, let's submit. Nice. Let's move on to the next question.